While my Windows 11 is updating, let us start. Hello there, and welcome to a new video. First of all, I would like to apologize for the lack of content. That's due to the hard project ideas I wanted to make. I will explain those in a moment, but first I want to thank everyone that watched my other video, resulting in a total of 9 views, 8 of which are mine. And with that out of the way, let's get started.
And the first project I've been working on is an Arduino Nano based virtual hand via serial communication. Basically, 6 months ago I got my very first Arduino with a 3-axis gyroscope, so I wanted to put a use to it. After some time of learning to code for the Arduino and setting up everything on the Unity part, I started making a hand move. Everything has gone wrong. Then I fixed it. Then it went wrong again. Very wrong. Then I fixed it again. After I thought everything worked properly, quotes with sarcasm. Wait, I'm not meant to read that. Anyway, I tried to implement some movement with 3-axis accelerometer. Never got that working. Then I made a scuffed plane controller. Really fun. Maybe in the future I will try developing further in this domain. The second project that I started 4 months ago and was the main one I was meant to upload is this Keyboard SOS, which stands for Keyboard Show on Screen. Very accurate. It totally is not a keylogger. It is a keyboard recorder useful for recording your keyboard on your screen. No, use render, not recorder. Wait, was I supposed to read that? Anyway, totally not a knockoff plugin from Blender that works on any other app non-stop. These are some problems I encountered while making this project. Making a transparent window, thankfully CodeMonkey, link in the description, got me covered. Second, getting keyboard and mouse input while running in the background. Well, I used an raw input API, which was very raw input. Like, I just tapped a key and Unity said I tapped it over 30,000 times. The result were exactly 37 crashes before I figured out some of the code. Then I had to do some art. Here is me using a professional paint skills to make art. The mouse works so well in the editor, but it doesn't work in the background. I think this video is already way too long. Put here how many minutes already passed. And I want to tell you that the build will be in the description, and that if you get any ideas that might help this project or repair the script or even just make it a more simple or run faster, please let me know. And bye and see you next time.